Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show the Escort getting loaded up onto the trailer and heading over to the welder's house to be finished. While the car's there, he has said I can come over anytime I want just to have a look at the car and see what the progression is, so I can go take the camera with me and get some video of that. And not only that, also while the car isn't here, there's a lot that I want to do on the bench, so there'll be a lot of smaller videos going out. I want to rebuild the pedal box, rebuild the back axle, strip the engine, rebuild the engine, so there will be a number of videos coming soon. So if you do like what I'm doing and would like to carry on following what I'm getting up to, hit the subscribe button below and give the video a like. Other than that, what I'll do now is I'll post a time-lapse video of the car going onto the trailer, and I will come back at the end just to say a few more words. I'll see you guys in a minute. So thanks for watching that, and as you can see behind me now that the Escort's gone, I've brought the rally car in just to give it a fair check over, and I've put the back axle on the bench ready to start rebuilding. So I have got a couple more videos in plan, so if you do like what you see, subscribe and keep updated, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you very much. Cheers guys.